Hi, my name is Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a mango sticky rice. This is a really light dessert that has just a touch of sweetness to it, and it takes less than 15 minutes to make. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make 2 cups of cooked rice. Now this rice, you want it to be sticky rice, so Calrose rice will work, or if the package says glutinous rice, that works, or it will even say just sweet sticky rice. And so we're going to set that 2 cups of rice aside once it's done, and then in a small pot we're going to start mixing up a sauce that's going to go inside of this rice. So we're going to start out with 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. We're just going to cook this up until the sugar dissolves, and then we'll pour it into our rice. Okay, we're just going to stir this together now, and it's going to look a little soupy, but it's not going to stay that way because we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes while the rice soaks up the liquid. So while this rice is soaking up the liquid, we're going to make a sauce that's going to go on top of this once it's all done. So in a separate pot, we're going to go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm going to go ahead and continue whisking this and heating it until it becomes thickened. Okay, everything is ready. So now I'm just going to put it together and show you what it looks like.